Do you know? You don't really have to go all or nothing. I don't know why a lot of people do that, including myself. I'm very much so gotta go all the way and not stay in the middle, but it's not necessary. And I feel like in this day and age of like social media, people will make us feel like, oh, if you're not doing all of this, you're not doing that. That's not true. If you do a little bit still count. And I'm thinking about this because I was just talking with my therapist and she had a cold. And then, I told her I was just recently, I had a cold and everything. And so she was like, oh, what did you do? Did you just rough it out or did you take something? I said, I didn't take anything. And mind you, I was supposed to, I know I made a video. I definitely made a video and I was going to say like if I could find all my footage, I'm gonna make the video and talk about exactly everything that I made. But I was just going through. I was like, yeah, no, I just made sure I had some garlic and ginger and some vitamin C. And she was like, oh, what did you make? She was thinking that I made some like herbal tonic and stuff. And while yes, I could have done that, and sometimes I do, I was like, no, I just incorporated more of it into my cooking. I'm like, I usually do it, but me just having it in my cooking and making sure it's present in every single meal, if I can, every single dish that I make, your body's still gonna take it up. She was thinking that I was there soaking the garlic or chewing on the garlic raw, which yes, you can do. That is the extreme end of things. You feel me? Or like how my grandmother, I always watch her make boiled garlic, just throw like a bulb, not even one clove. It seemed like sometimes she would just throw like 5 to 6 cloves in a one pot and boil out and drink it like tea. Me not do that. Yes, health is well, but me not do that. No, 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 no. As my therapist was talking about how her father always used to keep like I guess garlic tea like in like a mayo jug and would just drink it like it's lemonade. I said, yeah, no. I said just incorporating it into more of your foods, like making every meal like make sure it has like the garlic or the ginger or you know what I mean. I mean obviously soup and broths and things like that work, but I'm like you don't have to do so much. You don't have to go to the extreme end just to make sure it works. You know what I mean? And also, not only that, because if the extreme works for you, that's great. But you have to find your happy medium on what's going to work for your body.